Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we have a special video, an island challenge in a snowstorm. Hey! For those of you that don't know, a disc golf island challenge is where each contestant will receive 10 discs. Some of the discs are brand new, some of the discs are very unique discs, and some of the discs have been sitting around in our yard for a couple of years. Then, each contestant will receive 10 throws, one with each disc. If they land a disc within 30 feet of a basket, they get 1 point. If they land a disc within 10 feet of a basket, they get 3 points. And if they manage to ace, they get 10 points. After all the discs have been thrown, the player with the most points is the winner. I'd also like to give a shout out to one of my sponsors, Revelation Outfitters. They have issued a new giveaway. Whenever one of my videos reaches 500 views, they are going to be giving away a disc golf themed t-shirt custom printed by them to one lucky person who has made a comment below that video. So be sure to check out some of my other videos and also go check out Revelation Outfitters at revelationoutfitters.com. Joining me in this video, we have my brother Gabriel and my other brother Josiah. And we are going to be competing against each other for the title of Disc Golf Snowstorm Champion. Are you guys ready to pick the discs?
Yep.
Alright. This is the disc golf drawing box. We're going to have people walk in here in the dark and randomly get a disc out of this box. And they won't know what disc they have until they come out this door.
I'm kidding. Discraft Cyclone.
Discmania Tilt. Discmania Genius.
Okay, I got a Keystone and a Flick.
And a Valkyrie.
Castoplast Berg.
Great.
Here we go. Who wants to go first?
Me.
Okay. What's she gonna be throwing?
An art 3D printed and a hydrogen loft.
Okay, let's see it. I think that was a miss. I know that's a miss. All right, Gabriel, you're up. Did you throw?
Yeah, way over there.
You threw both of them already?
No, I did the one.
We'll throw another one. It's just so cold. All right, a Maverick and an Omega.
I'm not throwing on the tee pad again. I already broke my wrist for it. I don't think there's going to be any makes today.
That would have been good.
And a fender and a thing. This 3D printed.
Nice shot, man.
Okay.
An Aurora and a Raider. Where'd that go? Oh, I see it now. The tilt?
Yeah.
Alright, here I go. A Berg and a pig. Pig first. Gabriel, what do you have?
A trespass and a cyclone.
All right, let's see it. That could be a make. I think it's good, but we'll have to double check. Your turn.
Tilt and mayhem.
Yeah, that could be short, but I think it's in. What in the world? That looks pretty good. My turn. Here we go. Sideways, remember. All right, I got a cohort and a stingray. Stable. Not stable.
And an ogo pogo.
Yep. Like you might have made it. Not quite sure that went.
Axis and a slammer.
That looks pretty nice. That looks really good. Parked. Nice shot, man. Stable. Alright, here we go. Work battery guys. Genius and Thunderbird. I'm going up high here. Follow this line. Did it roll out? And that was Tomahawk.
Alright, last step.
I think I'm gonna lose this challenge. Nice. And flick. Maybe.
Valkyrie and tactic.
Oh, that was some big Annie. And my last two here. My last two are the Slugabug, which I don't really know what it is, but that's a hole, and a Baobab, which is
It's a Rock X3.
Psycho.
It's a Rock X3.
A Rock X3.
With a hole under it.
That was pretty decent. Alright, Baobab, I'm going way up there. Maybe. Alright, let's go find out. Who won? That's in.
That's right.
That one's in. The Tilda's in. The Thunderbird, the Trespass. That is parked.
That's me.
Yep, good job. That's all we have for this video. Josiah was our grand champion with a total of 8 points. Well done.
I got second place.
Come on, that's not fair. I got second place. Second place? Second place is no place. You're off the team.
Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos coming soon.